Hello, readers. So yesterday we made some observations on what a character interaction was and what they look like throughout a story. Today we're going to talk about how we can use inferences to help us understand character interactions and feelings. For example, how does Vera feel after her interaction with Anna? Yesterday we read the story One Green Apple, and I used the example of Anna and Farah from the story. I'm going to continue to use my example using this anchor chart in front of me. So it says, first, readers develop inferences by 1. Noticing clues about the character in the text by using text clues. 2. Combining the clues with what they already know about people like this, which is background knowledge. Stating an idea, which is an inference based on background knowledge and clues. Pause the video here so you can write down these steps as we go on to practice. Make sure to include your 3 boxes in the bottom on how to complete your sentence. Text clues, you say it says blank based on the text you found. Background knowledge, I know blank. And then you're going to end with your inference. So I think blank. Now that you've paused the video and finished writing your anchor chart, I'm going to go ahead and give you my example. So here we're going to look at the text, right? Yesterday in the story, One Green Apple, it said, the girl who sits next to me smiles and points to herself. Anna, she says. She points to me. Farah. This quote is my clue that will help me later. So this is my text clue. I started my sentence with it says and used direct quotes from the book. For my second step from One Green Apple, I said, I know that Farah is a new student and does not know a lot of English, which may be why Anna is talking the way she is in the previous quote. And then last, I said, so I know that Farah is new and may be worried because she doesn't understand anyone around her, and Anna is trying to make her feel comfortable or be her friend. Yesterday in your assignment, you used Suki's kimono to make observations, and I want you to use the same book today in Schoology to practice this strategy. You're going to use it says, I know, so I think. Now that you've learned a new strategy to help you develop your own inferences, I want you to use it the next time you're reading a book, whether it's virtual or in person. If it's a personal book, you can use sticky notes to write these inferences with these sentence stems here on the bottom, or just a regular journal. Go ahead and go into Schoology and see if you can practice this assignment alone. Good luck.